Installation instruction to oil gas separator. 1. Precautions. 1. No open flames. 2. Do not apply sealant to sealing rings. 3. Do not open or loosen screw joints on the pump cover. 4. Pay attention to the aging condition of O-rings in the pipes connecting pipelines. 2. Disassembly procedures. 1. Loosen intake pipe screws. 2. Remove the intake pipe. 3. Loosen the ignition connector. 4. Block the ignition coil mounting hole. 5. Take down screws on the oil gas separator one by one. 6. Remove the oil gas separator. 3. Installation procedures. 1. Align with the installation position and insert in the exhaust pipe connector. 2. Pre-tighten screws of the separator and then tighten them alternately. 3. Reinstall the ignition coil. 4. Butt the ignition plug. 5. Connect the intake pipe. 6. Check if the negative pressure value is normal. The installation has been done in case a normal value is displayed.